Hey Jupers, a great daily fragrance that I want to show to you today with a bit of a spicy twist. But first, before I do that, I want to show you what the OG looks like. And the OG is Versace Eros Flame. Now, we all know the bottle, we all know the fragrance, very nice, magnificent fragrance. But the dupe that I want to show you today, I got over the weekend, is called Destinations Flame by Fragrance World. You'll see the bottle resembles exactly like the OG, and of course the smell would be close to that as well. Then the spray is a good spray, and then the smell is very nice. You do get that mandarin orange, the pepper, the lemon, the rose, you get the sandalwood, you get all those nice bunch of notes poured inside, and it smells very, very nice. I would say that it would smell about 85 to 90% similar to the original, but in its own entity, it's a brilliant, close fragrance, and it's beautiful. But when you look at the notes, all the notes that's in it, that it's in the original and in Destinations, you'll see that it resembles exactly the same fragrance. So your top notes would be mandarin orange, Madagascar pepper, lemon, chinito, and rosemary. And your middle notes would be geranium, rose, and pepperwood. The base is vanilla, tonka bean, sandalwood, cedar, patchouli, and oak moss. And that gives you all the sorts of notes that pour into this little bottle that makes this a magnificent, great fragrance. Now, longevity on this will give you at least about 5 to 6.5 hours. And your projection is not massive, but people will smell you in close proximity, which is good because you don't want to overwhelm everybody with this fragrance, because it's a daily fragrance that you would wear at least every second day or every day on the week. So your projection, like I said, that, and it's definitely a blind buy safe fragrance, and you can use it as an everyday fragrance. It's a great, beautiful fragrance. This is Destinations Flame by Fragrance World. That's Dupe District. Be part of the movement.